Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and this is our first week. We've completed the initial phases of our permaculture garden here in Manhattan Beach, one of the walk streets. We got the soil amended, we've got the border in place, we're going to have ground cover out here. On the outside here we're going to have native plants or foodstuffs, apple trees and so on. Over here is a little patio that they're going to put chairs. We have some retaining rocks here. We have some flagstones that we're going to bring next week. On this waterfall that just got built. And we have the Wassa 6,600 gallon power pump. Seems to be just the right fit for here. And we have an Wassa 27 watt fountain pump here. Isn't that amazing? It just, it's a pollinator fountain, and it actually is gonna allow room for hummingbirds or birds, bees, insects to be able to land here and just take a little bit of a drink. And then we've got more boulders. There's gonna be a little space for a bench here and gravel, and then lots of native trees, plants. We've got the rainbird drip irrigation valves here, and so this is just kind of an overview of week one. Okay, thanks for joining us. We'll give you another progress report next week. Take care.